Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry and Mowers. Good afternoon. Today I'm doing another review. I got a box the other day and I just opened it up. Inside the box is something from my friends over at Meco Eleverde. Today I received a compressed air duster. So you guys may use this at home if you're into computers and stuff, but they sell cans of compressed air. That's right, they make you go out and buy cans of air. Or you can go and get yourself an air compressor. But this new product from Meco Eleverde was sent to me to do a review to show you what's on the horizon with technology. So we're going to do a quick unboxing here of the Meco Eleverde compressed air duster. When they gave me a choice of things to review, I looked at the list and I said, I don't think I've ever seen that before. Comes with a bag. Some nozzles. Here's the product itself. Very cool. Pretty heavy too. About a pound and a half, 2 pounds. Powerful. Cyclone cleaning, dust blower, user manual, instructions. Get out of here! We don't need any instructions. Forget about it. It's got a bunch of attachments here. Almost like a vacuum cleaner, you know, those types of nozzles. This is going to be very useful, you know, when you want to give yourself an enema. Some more blower ones, longer ones, nozzles and tips. Ooh, but this one. For your computer keyboard. Couple of foam filters, I guess. That's it. That's all that's in there. So you know what? I'm going to plug this in, see what happens. Plugging it in. And let's use, just for the heck of it, this nozzle here. Or should I use this bigger one here? Could I put this one on here? No. Could I put some more smaller nozzles on there? Ah, I see. They're all connected. Okay, so look, you can stick this into like your flotation stuff, you know, for the pool, to blow up stuff faster. This one doesn't fit. That one doesn't fit. So you know what? I see. So look, you need this one to put it onto this one. Because this is rounded, see? So this one fits on that one. These small ones fit on this one. Okay, ready? Let's turn it on. It has 2 settings, 0, 1, and 2. 0 is off, 1 is low, 2 is high. Ready? It's like a mini blower, you know? And you always have to plug it in. So you know what? I want to try something. I want to try the super small nozzle. Ooh. Over here, it is an absolute mess. Got like rat poo and seeds and grime and all that stuff. I'm going to try this Meco Eleverde duster. Wow! How about that, huh? So you don't need a big air compressor like this, or a big air compressor like that, a medium-sized one. If you don't have an air compressor, all you need is this little thing, and this gets the job done. All kinds of applications, small or large. So this is my Meco Eleverde air duster or blower. To me, it's like a mini air compressor, handheld, that you just plug in and it works great. Has a lot of blowing action, and you saw, I just blew grease and grime and dried up oil all over this lawnmower, right? And it blew it out, no problem. It even cleans it so well that it blew the old paint chips off of the machine. Very powerful for a small little handy handheld device like this. I'm absolutely sure that if you use this thing to get the dust off of your keyboard and your computer, it would more than do what you need. Instead of paying $8 a can of compressed air at your local store, you can have unlimited air for free. This air duster sells for $47.99 on Amazon.com. I'll put the link in the description right here so you can go and get yours. But at the end of this video, I'll have a special discount code so that you can save a little bit more on this air duster. Thanks to Meco Eleverde for once again sending me another amazing product. And honestly, it's very handy for a guy like me in the garage to do some fast cleanups without powering up your air compressor. It does pretty much the same thing on a smaller scale. So if you don't have an air compressor, don't go out and buy hundreds of dollars worth of machines. Get yourself one of these. It works great. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. On Mowers and Blowers. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.